Kiuria kigie kiria kiracungiriirie wagi wa mbembe bururi-ini na uria uracungiriirie thogora wa mutu guthie iguru no kirathie na mbere na gwithegea. Thirikari ikiyeheria na gukua mutharaba ucio na kuga ni arimi makoretwo makihitha mihuko milioni 10 ya mbembe, no kamiti ya bunge kiuga thirikari ndikoretwo ikiguciriria arimi kuruta mbembe ciao.
I've close to 1,000 bags in my store. That is still sitting there because the ministry has not come up clean. They has not encouraged the locals to release whatever. Because when I farm chair, it's for two purposes. Use it as a food crop or a commercial crop.
When we started buying the crop as government to stock our strategic food reserve, because of the weather patterns, we noticed that we needed to improve the price so that we could attract maize to our SFR stores. And as government, we placed our buying price at 3,000 Kenya shillings, which was the highest in the recent past.
Giikaro gia kamiti ya bunge igi urimi roho gigitindikiriria thirikari itaririe ukuruhanu wayo na uguri wa mbembe kuma mabũrũri-inĩ ma nanja ona thengia wa biashara iyo gukorwo irarutwo ni kambuni kiumbe.
At what stage did this importation start? Did it commence immediately after the minister waived duty on maize import? And if it did, was it directed at specific companies?
In your Kenya Gazette, did you put out there that you require 5 million bags? I think that as simple as that. There's a straightforward question. The answer is either no.
It is no. We didn't tender for any. We only waived duty for anybody to bring maize to this country. But what we require is 5,000.
Unless you withdraw this gazette and you be specific, it also shows lack of planning on part of your ministry, a lack of specifics, a lack of knowing for how long. This gazette is open-ended forever, even when we have enough maize in the country.
Kamiti no oroho igithurima thirikari na gitumi gia kurekereria unyihu ucio ugumire bururi o riria ingiahingurire dirisha ya uguri wa mbembe icio kuma mabũrũri-inĩ ma nanja riria yonire gutiri na kimera.
You said it is affecting the regions. We have not seen Tanzania having the drama we are having. You are saying Uganda imported even food to Sudan. They are not having those drama exported to Sudan. They've already done that. How come the other regions are not affected? What is it us as a country we are doing wrong that the other regions are not doing wrong?
What happened, because the flow usually would also come from Uganda, is that the flow in retrospect flew to Sudan.
Kiuria kinene gikigagaia bũrũri-inĩ ati thirikari nĩ ĩkoretwo ĩkĩrutĩrwo mũkana wa ng'aragu no ĩkinyũkagia makinya rĩrĩa kwahiũha. Ngĩribotera Inooro thaa 3 njĩtagwo Monica Kagoni.